Hello, my friends. Today we start new project. It's very easy. It is very easy, but it's very interesting and gripping type of project in Thunkable. First of all, we click to button start, and in there we can see types of animals and their names. When we click the picture of this animal, it when we click the of
Horse,
this animal, it calls it calls in English like this,
horse,
and we you can add the types of animals uh, in different areas of our planet. For example, I had chosen domestic animals, safari animals, jungle animals, and forest animals. Safari animals like lion, zebra, rhino, jungle animals, chimp, gorilla, tiger, forest animals, bighorn sheep, gray wolf, and eagle. So let's start. Uh, in in screen one, we can see a label, label, animation, and one button. We rename label one like welcome to zoo sounds, and we add an animation by copying your URL of this animation in internet. You can find it easily, and a button. When this button starts, it we can see there four types of navigator. How can we add this navigator? Uh, uh, in screen one, in screens, you can see there path. When you put when you click here, you can see App Navigator, and we choose App Navigator to create like this. We need four top navigators, and we will click them. Uh, and I want to explain you a great thing like this. When uh, when we are in Navigator Domestic, it shows us a very beautiful picture in there. But in Safari Jungle and Forest, there is a white and black pictures. When we go to Safari, the Domestic becomes black and white, but Safari becomes um, beautiful picture. When we go to forest, when we go to jungle, it's also like this. And when we go to the forest, it's the same thing. So we are going to, I am going to explain you blocks. First of all, how we can add like these pictures. First of all, you need to copy URL of picture and add it to here. And when you go to the second navigator, it becomes black and white. You want to do like this. You can put another picture's URL in black white, and you put it this link in inactive tab 1. So I want to explain you blocks codes of this project. First of all, in screen one, we can see very easy code. When button start clicks, to navigate to Damascus. Damascus is our first top navigator screen. In Damascus, we can see there four simple codes. When cow one it's a picture. Uh, when we click it, it plays sound of cow. When we click button cow, it it stops sound there, and it says cow in English. In horse, in sheep, the same thing. In Safari, like this, also like this, and in jungle too, and in forest, also like this. How can we add sounds of these animals? Uh, when we go to design, we can see their assets, and when you click there, choose a file, you can it automatically opens a files of in computer, and and we can choose their files that we downloaded in internet. It was very interesting. You can try it at home. I think I explained it really well. If you had questions, you can write it in comments. I will answer it if I can. So goodbye for now.